How to use the /place command on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. This allows you to place structures anywhere in your Minecraft world. For example, this trial chamber right here is placed above the ground in the air. And you can place any structure anywhere in your Minecraft world using the /place commands. This is a brand new command for Minecraft Bedrock Edition as of the time of recording this video, but if you are watching this in the future, it should be fully out in the game. However, if you are watching this and it's not fully out in the game, then you need to be on Minecraft Preview, and you also need to have a few experimental toggles enabled. Let me show you which ones. So when you're creating or editing a world, make sure you have upcoming creator features on, as well as the Jigsaw block experimental toggle as well. You can find these under the Experiments tab. I'll let you know in the pinned comment when this is fully out and when you no longer need the experimental toggles enabled. To use the place command on Bedrock Edition, go into chat, type /place, and then you have a couple of different options. These are feature, Featurerule, Jigsaw, and structure. You might have more if there is more features for the place command when you're watching this video, but these are the 4 right now. Now, feature is used to be able to place stuff like trees or smaller features that aren't structures. We'll get to that in a second. There's also Featurerule, and then there is Jigsaw. Now, Jigsaw is to be able to load custom structures from add-ons or from mod packs that you want to use. But right now, we're interested in structure because this is for the default structures in your Minecraft worlds. Now, you will see a list of all different structures when you type structure. Right now, the only 2 are trial chambers and trail ruins. This is because this was literally just added, but there will be more when you are watching this. Right now, there was only 2 votes, so we're going to go for the trial chambers. Then you need to put some coordinates. So in this case, I'm just going to go for my current coordinates, so tilde, tilde, tilde. And then you can decide whether you want it to ignore the default height. So right now, we're going to set this to true because I want you to be able to see the whole structure above ground. But if you want this to be placed at the normal Y level and only the normal Y levels for where the structure can spawn, or any other like conditions for the structures, then you want to make sure you have this to false, so then it will only spawn where it normally would do in your Minecraft world at the normal coordinates. Then press whichever button it is to send messages in your chat, and as you can see, a trial chamber will spawn right here. So this is a trial chamber, we can go into it, and it literally did just spawn here in this Minecraft world through the place command. This is a very powerful command, and eventually you should be able to do stuff like villagers or any other of the Minecraft structures as well. So that is for the structure element of the place command, but what about the other ones? So for the place feature command, you want to go into chat, type /place, and then feature, and these are all different smaller Minecraft features that you can place in your Minecraft world. So as you can see, there's tons of different options here for the place command for place feature. Now in this case, we're just going to go for something simple to begin with, so let's just go for a cherry tree. So Minecraft, and then colon, and then cherry, and then underscore tree, underscore feature, as you can see. Then you can put whatever coordinates you want. In this case, we're going to go for tilde, 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 so that is the current coordinates. And then if you press whichever button it is to send messages in your chat, as you can see, a tree has just spawned right here, and this is a cherry tree in your Minecraft worlds. So this tree will be different depending on what tree you have. So it'll just randomly spawn a different kind of tree every time you do this command, because there is different sizes and different variants of the cherry tree. And this is honestly really cool and huge and like groundbreaking and game changing for the Minecraft map creation, or just a generally Minecraft creative mode building scene. And of course, there's a bunch of different features you can do as well. If it says that a feature can't be placed at the current location, or that it is out of the world, then you need to make sure that you have this somewhere where it can normally be placed, because some features, for example, ones that are underground, you might not be able to place above the surface, so you have to mess about with the coordinates a bit to make sure you get them placed in the right place. And if something says that it cannot be placed outside the world, that is likely because you're in a super flat world, or you are placing something really low down underneath the world, so it will go into the void, and therefore it won't be able to work, and it won't be able to load the structure. So there is also one more command as well, which is the /place and then Featurerule command. However, this is very complicated, and I can't really seem to work out how this works. If you are a lot smarter than me at this stuff, you probably can get this to work. However, there is no documentation or anything right now because this is brand new, and I've tried a bunch of these different things. Some of the jungle ones, because we're in a jungle biome right now, do seem to be saying that they're doing stuff, so maybe it depends on the biome, and you can only use these ones in the certain biomes where you are at that biome already or something, and it's like a feature, but it needs to meet the certain rules or requirements to work. That's my only like estimate of what it can mean, but honestly, I'm not really advanced enough for the Featurerule command as of right now. But you can also mess about with that, as it does allow you to spawn other stuff and other feature rules by the sounds of things. If you need any help or have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And to learn how to move your Minecraft builds from one world to another, check out the video on screen.